Hundreds of 311 complaints from one person to one repair shop, and a new tax code that can help you save a lot of money just got passed. All that and more coming up on this episode of Automotive Repair News Today. All right, welcome in. So good to have you along today. My name is Braxton Critcher, and man, it's that time of year again. Busy season at the repair shop, busy season in life, graduations, school's letting out, summer's upon us, Memorial Day weekend is just a couple of days away, and so that also means the unofficial start to summer. So things are busy, but that's a good thing. Busy is good, right? Well, glad to have you in your busy Wednesday to join for a little recap and update about what's happening across the automotive repair industry. Couple things I want to point out for you. We'll make this kind of a short episode, 10 minutes tops, and you'll be on your way about that busy rest of the week for you. Okay, so we just finished tax season a couple months ago. Well, not even a month ago, just over a month ago. And my wife and I actually just filed our taxes a little late, paid a little bit of a penalty, but that's okay. The House Ways and Means Committee just passed a new bill that rewrites parts of a tax code that's going to help repair shops. So a permanent 23% income deduction for pass-through businesses. There's also a cap on the top income tax rate and 100% deduction on equipment investments. So that's great. Also, get this, there's an EV tax credit that's currently in the bill, but it's going to be eliminated. So if you're one of those shops that are having a hard time keeping up with technology and stressing about trying to keep up with more EVs coming into your shop, you don't have to worry about that. The tax credit that was in there for shops to purchase EV equipment, that's eliminated. So a lot of shops aren't going to be buying that equipment anymore without that tax credit. Also, there's a higher estate tax threshold for succession planning. There's tax relief on overtime pay. There is a car loan interest deduction and permanent credits for child care and family leave. And you can look this up and research that for yourself if you'd like to learn more. It is the H. Congress RES 14 bill by the House Ways and Means Committee. Good stuff overall, I think, with some good tax benefits for repair shops and a lot of other small businesses as well. This is not just for repair shops, it's for small businesses too. All right, have you heard this story? I teased it in the open, but there have been 311 311 complaints to the new XL Auto Repair in Brooklyn, New York. Now, this shop has been around since 1972. They are firmly established in the community there, and people love them. And if they didn't know that, they know now, because apparently one individual has been filing these reports, these complaints, for the past few months, and now the entire community is wrapping their arms around this repair shop trying to get to help them, and so they don't get penalized or whatever from the local government there in Brooklyn, because this person, they think, has been sitting outside watching traffic cams and watching the repair shop, filing complaints the moment a vehicle touches the sidewalk. Deliveries, drop-offs, even if the cars are moved within minutes, a complaint has been filed. Anywhere from 300 to 400 reports have been filed in the last couple of months. Council member Lincoln Ressler, he is trying to support the shop, stating that it's a community business that's valued to the area, and they are wanting to support this repair shop. So I found this article on Ratchet and Wrench. You can go read it for yourself, but it's pretty wild that somebody's all hot and bothered about that sidewalk space. 300 to 400 complaints have been filed in the last couple of months because a car was parked on the sidewalk for less than 10 minutes. Pretty crazy stuff. Go read it for yourself on Ratchet and Wrench. All right, the J.D. Power Aftermarket Success Index ASI study has ranked Christian Brothers Automotive as number one in customer satisfaction for the sixth straight year. They scored 855 out of 1,000, beating the average score by 39 points. They also topped 5 out of 7 key categories, including the ease of scheduling, service advisor performance and courtesy, and facility quality and work quality. So Christian Brothers at it again for 6 straight years. All right, I told you it was going to be a quick episode today. I've got we're heading out on vacation here in a couple of days, so got a couple of things to tie up, but those I felt were pretty important, pretty important updates to give you today, as I know you're busy too. So quick update, taxes just got a lot better for you in your repair shop. You can look up again, the House Ways and Means Committee passed that bill that will help your small business, your repair shop, with some of those taxes. Also, just crazy that complaint, the 311 complaints from one individual for that sidewalk activity. Crazy stuff right there. But thanks for listening to Automotive Repair News today. Hope you have a great rest of your week and a great Memorial Day weekend. Hey, if you're still here, thank you so much for listening to this episode of Automotive Repair News today. If you enjoyed the show, please take a moment, like, share, subscribe to the podcast. That'll help us out a big deal and help grow the show. And you know what? While you're at it, slap on a review too if you feel like this content is helpful for the industry. Don't forget to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. We're on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Stay connected and be the first to know about new episodes, behind-the-scene content, and more. And until next time, let's make the industry better together.